as a female in the music industry, how hard is it for you to actually date while being an artist?
It's very hard. Because again, you don't know who wants Latifa as opposed to Tifa. You know what I mean? So it's kind of hard because some guys will be like, yo, they want a notch under them belt. Or sometimes they don't know how to handle the success or the fact that their girlfriend is more successful than them, or you know what I mean, their girlfriend is more popular. At first it's cool. Oh yes, I'll take the pictures for you, I'll this, all that, and then after that is like, especially you have to understand, like, the world knows you, or some of the world know you, and then you might just be the hot boy in your crew. That might just be 200 people on Facebook.
Yeah.
You understand where I come from? So it's just the disparity between it is whatever. But I mean, it is what it is.
So would you rather date in the industry or you rather date outside of the industry?
No.
Okay, what are you saying no to?
No, that bond they're different. That bond is a different bond. Like international bond is a different bond. I don't want that. I'd rather just date a normal dude. Hopefully him can deal with it and we just build a life together. You know what I mean? Somebody with sense, somebody that has ambition, somebody that knows to invest. And we just build a life together. Like, I don't necessarily want somebody in an industry. I can't deal. I'm too jealous for that. I can't deal with it. Groupie them. I can't deal with. Just imagine you as a regular girl. I get a regular bun, as opposed to you're there with a celebrity and I get some international bun. You get some wicked bun. No, I can't do that. Something.
What you say? That's not for you at all. You'll just stick to somebody normal and we'll figure it out
here,
from there.
Me is a mad man, so we just stick to the little evils them and me comfortable with.
I hear you. Okay, in a man, what attracts you to a man? What do you like in a man?
I like a man that's ambitious. Even though I have no ambition and a drive, don't think you're going to come date me and sit down and look for me because I'm not take my money and mine you after me go work 2-3 o'clock on the stage. You know what I mean? You have to have ambition, you have to have something about it, and we're supposed to can build together. We're supposed to can come up with business ideas. We're supposed to can laugh about the simplest things, or we can supposed to can have a serious conversation about the elections coming up and the state of corona and what's happening in the world. You know what I mean? As a well-rounded man, a man with education, somebody who carry himself clean and nice. I don't have a type. You know what I mean? But that's basically it for me. Somebody with good hygiene.
Yeah. And you're good to go from there. All right. As a female, we usually get this from male perspective, but we don't ever get it from a female perspective. What's been the craziest groupie moment so far in your career?
A guy took his shoes off. Brand new shoes. He just bought his shoes. He took the shoes off. I think it's the first time he was ever wearing the shoes. There were some expensive ass shoes too. I don't remember what the shoes were. And he was just like, sign them.
Yeah.
And a girl asked me to sign her breasts. I'm like, girl, bye. You gotta beat it off. Go away.
Yeah. Crazy. Okay. So then what's the craziest DM you've ever received?
I don't think anything beats dick pics. Like, they're so random and ridiculous, and especially since I announced that I was celibate, I've been getting dick pics on the regular. Like, I'm like,
but why though? That almost doesn't even make no sense. You said right now I'm not on that path right now.
Yeah, maybe I don't know. Maybe they feel like they can, you know, they can convert me. But it's weird because some of them so ugly. Like, you know what I mean? Some of them cute, but some of them ugly. Like, it's just Stop sending me dick pics.
Wait, say, what did you do when you got your first dick pic ever? What did you do?
I don't remember. Sometimes I like cross out the name and like cross out the thingy, like blur it out and post and say, guys, stop sending me dick pics. In my stories, I'll just be like, guys, I'm tired of getting it. Stop sending me dick pics. It's random, like.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. Crazy. Okay, because this brings us up to the new TIFA right now, where we're talking about your new song, All Night Long. All right? Where clearly you're living almost like two lives at once. You're talking about all night long, but you're talking about celibacy. What's going on?
Technically, no. First of all, the song was written and recorded in November of last year. The song was a freestyle.
Okay.
One. Yeah. And two, basically what the song is saying, if everybody listens to the song, is me meeting a guy and the guy is perfect, like on paper, like nice job, all the qualities that I would want, but then when it comes down to pleasing me sexually, he's whack. So basically the song is just basically saying, if you can't please me, if you can't go all night long, then it don't make no sense. Thank you, next. That's basically what the song is saying. And every woman or man go through that situation where they meet somebody and the girl might be so fabulous and the family love it, but she's just not pleasing you. And it's the
Yeah.
same thing with women. Like, a lot of women are not satisfied sexually, but because the man have money, them stay with him and them give him bun and then a whole heap of drama keep after that.
Yeah.
So that's basically what All Night Long is about.
Okay. Talking about this, still staying in the same vein, how important is sex to you in a relationship on
I
a
am
scale of 1 to 10?
I'm 10. I'm shallow.
Yeah.
I'm sex shallow. Like I'm honest. Like I'm sex shallow. So if the sex isn't good, I'm not gonna stay with you.
Yeah. It's just not like that. All right. Got you. I didn't expect you to give it to me that raw, all pun intended.
I'm a Sagittarius. We are that kind of people. Like,
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.